I finally got monetized, thank God. It took me 3.5 years to get to this point, right? I started my YouTube channel in late 2020 and it's been all over the place, but you know, the journey just continues and I'm just super thankful. I have a little bit over 4,000 subscribers now, which is crazy because literally a month ago, I had less than 2,500. So in this last month alone, I saw explosive growth with one of my videos. It was like a daily morning routine video. It was like 6 minutes. And I think it's like at over 65,000 views now. So I'm just super thankful. And everybody who rocks with me, I always reply to your comments. You guys are always rooting me on. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I've always loved the idea of getting monetized on YouTube, having some passive income, and just having that sort of lifestyle where I can see money coming in and do what I love, which is create, right? So thank you. What got me to start my channel was, you know, during the pandemic, I didn't really have a lot to do. Back in Arizona, I was running an agency. I started a couple of online businesses, but the partnership went south. And so I was like, wow, this is a great business model, but you know, the partnership just wasn't there. So we ended up dissolving it and I had to move on, right? I was getting tired of Arizona as well. I was there for 10 years. And so I'm like, okay, I have a lot of time to think. I'm in Arizona, I'm on lockdown. Like, what am I gonna do, right? So there was nothing really holding me back. I don't have any kids, I don't have any pets or anything. So San Diego was great, you know, like it was a great choice for me because I visited San Diego in the summertime. Coming from Arizona, it's very hot in the summertime. And I love San Diego, so I'm like, you know what? I should move to San Diego, and I did. Yeah, so that's my story. So some of the challenges in the beginning was just getting the confidence to just start a video, right? Like, I was always stumbling on my words. I was very uncomfortable. I would overthink. I would have to restart my videos all the time. And it was just very awkward. Like, I would start sweating and stuff because I was just literally awkward. And you know, I did the whole niche thing, which was like I started talking about day trading, and then over time I just started getting burnt out. You know, life started happening. I started meeting new people in my new apartment complex, and I was like, you know what, this is so far away. Like, getting monetized, reaching that 4,000 hours of watch time, getting that 1,000 subscribers, it just felt like it was just gonna take forever. Like, I thought it was gonna take like 10 years at my pace, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was getting like 50 views per video, you know, 1 to 2 subscribers in the beginning. Like, it was bad. And then I started relaxing a little bit. I invested into some equipment. I got DJI gimbal, I got some tripods, and still recording on my iPhone though. It was very simple, and it's still simple today. But that just got me excited to get more creative. I invested in some softwares that help me edit videos. And over time, I noticed it's very similar to going to the gym, right? As soon as you get some new workout outfits or some new shoes, you know, you want to go out and rock them. You want to go to the gym and you want to work out. So I would invest here and there, and that would get me excited to, you know, get motivated again and just start going. But one of my main things that I do regret is just not being consistent. So now I'm a lot more consistent, and it feels good because I can see the change, and I can see reliable and consistent views coming in now. I'm consistent now. Well, one thing that I learned, and this is just me getting outside of my head, is like, to me, I think some of my content is very boring. I already have a relaxed demeanor. I'm not like super amplified and like all in your face and stuff. So like when I play it back, I'm like, damn, like it is so boring. But other people will chime in and say, hey man, this is inspiring. Like, yo, this is so cool. You're back, stuff like that. And I was just like, wow, that really makes a difference for me because I can be very critical of myself. So if you're having that issue as well and you're looking to get monetized, I would recommend is like, just don't overthink it, because something that may seem like super cringe to you or super boring, right? or if you sound like monotone or whatever the case may be, that's just you, right? To other people, they might love it. It might be just for them. And that's the main reason why they subscribed. I'm saying they identify with you, basically. So it was like 12:30 at night, and I was like, yo, and I'm refreshing the page because at 12 a.m. your hours updates. So I think I was at 3,970 or something, like, 20 hours away from getting monetized. I was like refreshing, and it was like 12:01, and then boom, my page goes from you need 20 more hours to like get started with monetization. So I do have some tips for you. I'm not sure why you came to my channel. If you're just a supporter, I appreciate you. But if you're a YouTube creator and you're looking to get monetized yourself, I have a few tips for you. So number one, just stay disciplined. No matter what, try to upload at least once a week. If you're like super busy, twice a month. And the reason is because your subscribers are basically, they're relying on you to stay consistent with them, right? So it's not about you, it's about them. Can they count on you, basically? And if the answer is yes, then they're gonna look forward to drop every single week. Those subscribers, they're watching your videos, and you're gonna start to realize that some of your subscribers that have been rocking with you since day one are either watching it and not saying anything, or they'll comment every once in a while, and then it just gives you a reminder to keep going. So don't stop. Once you feel motivated, or you feel like, you know what, this is way too much for me, it's your goals up here and you feel like it's way too far, just keep going and stay disciplined. So number two, I would just say, like, if you're like constantly worried about your metrics, views and subscribers, and it's not growing enough, I would say, hey, just chill out, trust the process, and have fun with it. When you start getting discouraged, what do you do to get remotivated? For me, I like to invest into the creative aspect. So I take pride in CapCut. I bought Final Cut Pro, did research on how to make cinematic videos, things like that, to really level up my videos. And what happens is, when you learn a new piece of information, or like you have a new skill set, and apply that into your YouTube videos, because it's creative at the end of the day. This isn't something that you go to school for. This is creative work. So continue learning how to get more creative and better at your skill, because this is art in a way. And just have fun with that process and enjoy it. Don't worry about the metrics. And then number three, have the mentality of you're one video away. And what I mean by that is, one of my videos, I wouldn't even say it went viral, but it's at 65,000 views, and I posted it last month, not even a month ago, right? And with that just one video, I gained around 1,500 subscribers plus. Last month I was, like, hey, it's probably gonna take another 1.5 years for me to get monetized and all that. And now, 25 days later, I'm monetized, and I'm like super geeked about it. So just have that mindset of just like, you're one video away, because my phone's ringing. So you're one video away, and just trust that process of, you just never know what video is gonna hit and help you get to that next level. It's just really cool. And this is what I've been trying to build for a very long time. And so now that I have much more subscribers, it feels pretty cool. I look forward to doing things for you guys, because I feel more connected and I have a community finally. So I appreciate you guys. But just to recap, stay disciplined, trust the process, don't worry about the metrics and everything, and you're one video away from getting to that next level. I gotta write my notes just to make sure I'm on all my topics, you know what I'm saying? Support your boy so I can get to the next level. I'll return the favor. That was ass. And last but not least, let's get to the next level together. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and support your boy. I appreciate all of you guys, and let's get it. Oh, damn.